Hi, what is going on everyone? This is Moin Khan. In this video I will explain you all that questions which people asking me all the time, that how you earn such amount just only in 30 days. As you can see, today morning just before 6 hour I just post one of my earning screenshot here. As you can see, just about the last 30 days. It means like this screenshot is just only from the last 30 days earning, and the people just started rush too much questions that how did you earn such money just only in 30 days. And it is very difficult for me to explain each and every person one by one, and thus I decided to make one video in which I could explain you everything, that how did I earn such money. And mostly people just thinking that it is fake and like this. As you can see, today I haven't earned some things, and yesterday like this, and just only this screenshot I took before 2 days, but this is about my last 30 days screenshot, so that is why I just took this screenshot. And there were two other people, they were just thinking that it is fake, so that's why I just make. As you can see, before 33 minutes I just make, and as you can see I earn $711 just from yesterday. And as you can see, this is my ID, Moin Khan 2223. Okay, so many people just started rush questions from me, that how did you earn such amount just only in 30 days. So it is very difficult for me to explain each and every person, so I decided to make one informative video in which I could explain you that how did I just earn these money. Okay, but before just explain you these things, I am going to show you other people results also, because I'm not the one that I'm earning these money. There are a lot of people that are also earning such amounts. Like as you can see, I'm going to show you that people's also. As you can see, this person's, as you can see, this is the one girl, I don't know where she's from, but on 16 July, today is 19 July, and today is 20 July, sorry, and on 16 July she posted that she has one son, is he is 12-year-old and is currently young student in just MOF, and he got these money. As you can see, $4, $32, $4, $8, $32, $8. So this is another result. As you can see, it means like this is not a fake, this is the true results. And as you can see, this is the another person, he already posted on 16 July. It was nice to see this in my inbox today. He earned $17 just from the sale of the pro version, link pro version, and $11 just from the place your links like this. Okay, I'm going to show you another person result. As you can see, this person, he is the admin also. He said, I love being a part of MOF. When you join MOF, so you will be able to earn this money. As you can see, on the 11th July he posted that he earned $1,109 today, and yesterday he it means like 10th July he earned 254, and the last, as you can see these, and the last 30 days he earned $2,528. And this is the another result. This is the one girl, when you are out for the earning, and like this, as you can see, she just earned $16, $8, $11. And I'm going to show you another result. As you can see, today $11, yesterday 0, and the last 7 is, because sometimes you will get result and sometimes you will not get result. It depends on your efforts, at how much you implementing. Okay, and you can see the last 30 days she earned a lot, 4,578. But these are dollars just from the home. If you have internet availability and you have laptop, so you can do this easily. Okay, and as you can see, this is one of the person, he's from Pakistan, Shindin, and on 17 July he just giving proof that I currently withdraw these kind of money, 3,596 USA dollars. Okay, and as you can see, his withdraw is like this, and earning like 5,342. It means like this is a lot of amount he is just earning from the home. And this is again on 28 May. I just collect some of the pictures from there. It means like there are a lot of people, more than 4,000 people, they are just earning this, but I just collect some of the people's for the making sure that these people are earning. As you can see, today 11, yesterday 1,000, last 7 days he just got the 1,494, and the last 30 days in like this. If you will think that why this, like some people, sometimes the people doing work and sometimes people not doing work, and sometimes the people have their own work, so that's why the physical work they are not able to do like this. So that's the thing. As you can see, this is Indian. Another sale, he just said that yesterday $8 last and like this, and last one is $16. He is new, I think. As you can see, this is also Indian, and he got a lot of money, as you can see from here. As I can show you, like $22, $42, $37, and $1,138, as you can see. Okay, so this is the Indian. And okay, this is the Samul Sunde. I think he is the from Africa or something. I don't know where is he from. Like you can see, got this in my sleep. He was asleep and just he got these money like $32, $12, $17, and $3. And this is my result. My last 30 days result. As you can see, the last 30 days I got 4,960. It means like in 30 days I just got import $5,000 just only in 30 days. Okay, from the affiliate marketing. You people will be thinking that why I'm making this video, because I'm going to show you that it is not fake. For example, if this was fake, so I will be only the fake. That why all the people are just showing that we earn this kind of money. So it means that this is the not a fake, this is the true result. As you can see, this is the owner of this platform, the John Armstrong. He's the owner of this platform. As you can see, today in one day just he got this money. Yesterday he got this money. Last 7 days $16,000, and the last 30 days he got $60,000 just only in 30 days. But why he is earning a lot? Because he's the owner and he know a lot, because he's working in this platform from 2017, and I joined this in before 1 month, and today is like the 20 July and I joined on 19 June. So I just only got 5,000, and he got this money just in 30 days, and before 30 days I don't know how much he will be earned. And as you can see, this is the another person, the Nicoldo C. Harvey. One day your hard work will pay off. Like the one day 25, yesterday 0, and last 7 days 838, and the last month $800. And you can see this is another person. As you can see, the last 30 days 3,358. You all people will be thinking that why different amount, because it depends on you how much you are doing and implementing. Okay, as you can see, this is the one girl. I don't know where she from, but on 3rd July she posted that she successfully withdraw this money to his bank GBP account bank, and she withdraw $4,555, and this will be complete in 48 hours. It means like when you earn this money, it will be in the Wire Plus wallet, and then after that you can withdraw in PayPal, Pioneer, and as well as you can withdraw in your bank account. Okay, and this is my today earning. As you can see, I hide this money because I don't want to show the people that today I earned $711 just today on 20 July. Okay, as you can see from here. And this is my second, just I joined before on the 5th July. Okay, so this was my second, because I joined on 19 July and on 5th July I just showed that this is my second earning. You can see 1211 like this, and now 20 July and my earning become equal to $4,000. So this was something I was giving to show you that this platform is not a fake, this is the original platform. And in the next video, maybe I will send you tomorrow or after tomorrow, you will watch that how the people are earning this such a money. Okay, so if you people are interested in this platform, just reply me back that you are waiting for the next video. Okay, thank you. I hope you will like this video.